Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today I'll be showing you some of my favorite nail art trends of the summer. So let's get started. The first one is a cute and easy yellow reverse French manicure. So start off with a base coat and 2 coats of a sheer polish, and then use a nail art brush to make a thin line of yellow near your cuticle. This is a super quick look to do if you want something classy but with a fun pop of color. Seal it in with a glossy top coat. Next up is Aura Nails. For this one, choose 2 colors and start with a base coat and then 1 to 2 coats of the lighter of the 2 shades that you chose. For me, this is going to be a light yellow. Apply some liquid latex around the nail and let it dry. Aura nails to me just look like circular gradients, so that's how we're going to do it. So make a dot of orange in the center of a makeup sponge and then surround it with yellow. Gently dab it onto the nail. Keep repeating these steps until you're happy with how opaque it is, and then immediately remove the latex. Smooth out the gradient with a glossy top coat. I've always loved fruit nails for summer, so I'm happy to see tiny fruit nails trending this year. So start off with a base coat and a sheer polish on all of your nails. For the blueberries, make a couple of light blue dots in the middle of your nail. Add a couple of leaves with green, and then use a darker blue polish to make an X on each of the blueberries. For the cherries, first make 2 red circles in the center of your nail, and then use a dark brown to make stems connecting them. Add a couple of green leaves to the stems. For the lemon, use a dark yellow to make the fruit, and then add a couple of dark green leaves to one side. Use a lighter yellow to add a highlight to the lemon. For the strawberry, make a soft upside-down triangle with red, and then add some green leaves to the top. Use black to add some tiny black spots for seeds. For the watermelon, make a semicircle with red. Outline the curved side of the shape with white, and then again with green. Use black to add a couple seeds to the red section. Finally, apply a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these 3 designs was your favorite. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.